Hello friends, today I am going to show you Spigen Easy Fit tempered glass screen protector for Galaxy S22. So let me repeat this, my friends. This tempered glass is for the Galaxy S22, not the S22 Plus or the S22 Ultra. So on the box it's mentioned here, as you can see here, it's for Galaxy S22. This is the model number, and you can also use this QR code to watch the video of how to install it, but I am making a different approach, you can say that. And the box, on the top of the box, it is mentioned as 2,899 rupees, but you can get this for 999 or 899. And do remember, this is a 2-pack version. So why wait, my friends? Let's open this up and check it out, what we get inside the box. So as it is mentioned as a 2-pack, so here you can see there are 2 packs here. So just slide it out. It's very, yes, this is the below one, and there is another kit here, and a squeezy, nothing else inside the box. So this is the instruction how to install it. As you can see here, my friends, this is the installation. So we will be doing this step by step, and my approach is a bit different because as I mentioned you in all of my videos that I do it immediately after I unbox the phone, and I don't remove the company installed screen film, that is the protector film that comes with the phone. And this I do because to get a perfect installation without any dust particles under the screen protector. So first of all, we need to remove this. Before that, it's better to turn off your phone or make it to flight mode, and it's turned to the flight mode. Now we can remove this, peel off this sticker. Before that, do remember to keep these in a very clean places, and do remember to clean this whole area and wash your hands and then touch anything, because if a single drop also goes under the display, so tempered glass protector, it looks really bad. So the first process is we need to remove this company given sticker. So I will use this as my phone's scratch guard protection, because it will not scratch the back. So we will keep this here in this way. Now we will remove the squeezy, and this is a, as you can see here, this is the lens cleaner or cleaning wipe, it's mentioned as. And we get one cloth and one dust remover, 2 dust remover stickers, and nothing else. So that is for the second installation, which we need later on. And there is the squeezy. So first of all, we will give a wipe with this lens cleaner. Especially this is a alcohol wipe, and this works really nice. It is a clean phone, but still I would suggest to go for a clean wipe, because it helps for a perfect installation, and the film or your tempered glass comes with an adhesive which fits perfectly if the surface is totally clean without any dust particles. So keep this in here, because if you need it again, it will not dry immediately if you keep it here. So remember to keep it here until you complete your installation totally. So use this cloth. Do remember this cloth is folded in this way, so the inside of this cloth is totally clean and the outside might be dust, so do remember to use the inside only. Just give it a circular motions and remove it. Don't worry about the display being on or something, it will not hamper anything. After cleaning it, you need to keep this cloth again in the folded way, because you have to use this again because we have another tempered glass here. Just check it out on the light how clean it is, and I see some dust particles in about here and some about here, some on this side. So what we will do now, we will use this dust removal sticker and remove this dust totally. This helps a lot, my friends. I have done this a lot of times, and every time you might have seen that I use this dust removal sticker. Earlier it was coming in a very small one, now they have sending it a very big one, and this helps a lot. So it is totally clean now, as you can see here. If you have still doubts, do remember to keep this dust removal sticker near you, and you can use this immediately for complete cleanup. So I need to check the phone again. Do remember not to breathe on top of this display right now, or turn on any fan or air condition in your room. This has to be done in totally in a closed room, and I would suggest to turn off your fan, air condition, everything. Now what we need to do is this is the tempered glass. As you can see here, it is the easy fit one, and below is the glass here. As you can see, this is the glass. I'm not doing anything on top of it, but if I do it, then we have to go through with another dust removal sticker wipe. So as you can see here it is mentioned to remove this, and the top side is mentioned in this way. This is the top. As you can see, this is the top, and this is the below one. So top will go in this way, and this is the below. So since we have done the demo on top of the phone, so we need to go through another one with a swipe. So as you can see here, my friends, I have already gone through with the second wipe, and the display is totally clean now. As you can see, it is totally cleaned. You can see here it is totally clean here. There are no dust particles on top of the phone's display. Now, as I have mentioned you a lot of times, before removing the screen protector's film, it needs to be facing down, not in this way. If you do that, dust particle will drop on here. Okay, to remember it, doing and facing down. So here I'm removing the below sticker, as you can see here. So it is removed now. I have checked the display already. Use the top first. Very perfectly do it. Now just press here and slide it in this way. Just press here and slide it in this way. Just wait for 30 seconds. Or from right now we'll start 30 seconds. Let me skip this part, my friends. 30 seconds are done. Now first what we need to do is remove from here. It is mentioned here as remove from here. So we will just peel this off like this, and this way, and we will remove it very slowly, very carefully. Don't do it very harshly, because if you do that, then the tempered glass will also come up. So do it very carefully, my friends, and after doing it, just press it here and remove this out. So as you can see here, we can see two of the air bubbles here and one of the air bubbles here. So this is not exactly the air bubbles. this is a dust particle. Let me show you perfectly. See, there is a dust particle here. To remove this, we need to slightly remove the tempered glass and push the dust removal sticker, the small one inside here. So that will be a long process, so I don't want to show that. If you want, then I will continue to do it. If you don't want, you can skip to the end and see what was the result. Okay, so as you can see here, my friends, this is the final done. Finally I have done it. So I have removed a lot of dust under the display. So checking the display for any dust particles, you can do it in this way, as you can see here. So these are not the dust particles, these are the air bubbles that I need to remove, or it will go away after a few days of uses. If doesn't, then you have another pack, you can put that on top of this phone. And there were the other dust particles, as you mentioned here earlier. I mentioned here this one, it is removed, and nothing else on top of this phone. We will turn on a Play Store, and I'll show you how clear the display is. As you can see here on the whites, you can see there is no dust particles under the tempered glass, and the fitting is perfect. As you can see on the white only, you can see the fittings are really perfect. As you can see here, these edges are perfectly aligned, and you can use any case on top of this phone using this tempered glass. So one thing is that there is no cutout for the camera, front camera, so I don't think that that will be an issue, because I had done that on S22 Plus and that works really fine. And the phone is really light, and there is no weight to the phone after installing the tempered glass, and I don't see any more dust particles under the display. So that's all, my friends. Thank you for watching. This was the video for the Spigen EasyFit tempered glass screen protector for Samsung Galaxy S22. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask in the comment section below. Do subscribe my channel and stay safe, my friends. Bye bye.